Court does call the case of the people versus Ryan Atkins.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Atkins. Mr. Atkins, please state your name for the record.
Ryan Atkins.
So, Your Honor, Mr. Atkins and I both didn't really know why this was set. I do know
I
that,
don't either, because I'm looking, I think the last time he was here, I sentenced him. Paid
right.
his fines and costs payable like 30 days after his release, so I thought we were done.
So I think what happened was because Mr. Atkins wants to go to treatment, he is serving a sentence here and serving a sentence before Judge Slay. So Mr. Atkins and I have kind of been going back and forth about this. I think what's going to happen is, so he was sentenced to
365 credit, like 18.
right. So 347. This is a lot of numbers. I did math today, which with good time comes out to 277, which would take him to a release date of August 29th. Judge Slay,
Can I? Go ahead. I'll let you go on.
he was sentenced to 210 days beginning March 13th, which good time comes out to about 168, which would take him to a release date of approximately August 28th. So
both Judge Slay and I hit August.
right.
We're brilliant.
So with good time.
Okay, so can I just shortcut this?
Yeah.
Maybe. He wants to go to treatment, right?
Yeah.
Is that maybe why we're here? Yeah.
I think because he sent a letter to Your Honor saying, can you release me on treatment, to treatment? But he's got this Judge Slay thing holding him. But once he's done.
No. See, I'm not letting you get away with that. Judge Slay, you can't just say that Judge Slay.
The Judge Slay thing.
Sorry.
Judge Slay sentence
No.
holding him.
She's already released me to treatment.
She has.
I just
That's
need
the
you to
next
release-
thing I was asking.
Yes.
I
Which
don't, go ahead, fine.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna tell you, I know what I'm gonna do.
I
I
think
know Mr. Atkins for
Right.
ever.
the thing where Mr. Atkins and I disagree
Okay.
is that he's got to finish that Judge Slay sentence before, even if Your Honor releases him today, he's still got to get to August 28th. He's got to do her sentence, Judge Slay's sentence was 210 days, do the in-jail Don Farm program, release to treatment upon completion of both of those terms.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Does that make sense?
Well,
It's a lot of numbers.
yes, it does. It makes sense if that's the way her sentence reads. If her sentence indicates that he's got to do that time. And let me ask this. After you do the time, were you going to be on probation?
Yeah.
In Judge Slay's court?
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
And Patrick told me that I needed you to release me to treatment, or I have to wait till your sentence is up to go to treatment. And I sent you a letter with his kite stating that.
And Patrick told me he's got to do the Judge Slay time. So this is where
What now?
he's got to do the full sentence, 210 days on Judge Slay's.
Well, okay, I got you.
So that's where Mr.
I'm
Atkins
just-
and I have a little miscommunication.
Right, and I can't resolve that. What I can do is I can just take outside of the picture of it,
Sure.
because I really believe that Mr. Atkins needs treatment.
And he's been in,
Does well when he's not using,
Right.
and you know it. He does really well. He has a much better demeanor, and he's just, frankly, you're just a much better person. When you're
Yes, sir.
using, well, I can't say that. I can't call you what I think.
he has been in, Judge, on this case since November. So
I
it's
know.
been some
I
time.
know. Because when he came back, because he hadn't seen me for a while, when he came back, I could tell he was out there using. And he wasn't looking well. You really weren't. So I will make this real simple for this case. If you prepare an order indicating that I will suspend the balance of his sentence to be released to treatment. However, if he, and this is the important kicker, if he doesn't complete treatment or leaves treatment, then he must return to the Washtenaw County Jail to finish out this sentence.
I will get that to you, Your Honor.
All right, and that'll solve it, takes this case out of it, and then you can deal with what the interpretation of Judge Slay's case is.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Just do the right thing.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
Just
I know,
last time,
and
just
think-
last time.
right, I know you know. That's my problem with you. I know you know, and I know you're smart enough, and when you think about it and don't do the stuff, you do well.
Right.
Right? It's just when you get on that path,
Yeah, I know.
okay?
Thank you.
I'll do that. Get that order to me. I'll sign it. Ryan, best of luck to you.
Appreciate it.